Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Passage number 172. 6 weeks separate the opposition alliance Pakistan Democratic Movement from its planned long march to Islamabad. Full stop. What was once considered a symbolic event aimed at creating a political noise is today an organizational and logistical mega project requiring a quasi-military precision and planning question mark. So when PDM embarks on its long march, it will need to have figured out to the last detail the following key aspects of the event. Full stop. Number one, numbers colon. What is the minimum number of people needed for the long march and dharna to have an impact? Question mark. In the 1990s, similar marches undertaken by Benazir Bhutto and Nawaz Sharif had small numbers, but those did not matter because these events were more like jalsas in motion that had no specific declared outcomes other than generating heat and forcing the establishment to referee out the conflict. Full stop. When Imran Khan and Tahirul Qadri marched into Islamabad in 2014, they had a few thousand people with them. Full stop. However, the attrition rate was heavy, and by the end of the dharna, Imran Khan would be making speeches to an audience of a few dozen. Full stop. Then Khadim Razvi of TLP showed through his two dharnas that numbers did not matter if the outcome was to create chaos. Full stop. PDM will need to decide if it is banking on numbers to inflict pressure or other factors. Full stop. Number two. Location colon. This is the other key factor. Full stop. PTI slash PAT crowds camped out on Kashmir, now Srinagar highway and Apara. Full stop. Their presence choked off this vicinity, but did not have a direct impact on life in all other areas of the capital. Full stop. Then they broke through the barricades into the red zone and squatted in and around D Chowk. Full stop. This gave them direct access to Parliament, Supreme Court, PM House, PTV and the Secretariat, but it left the city to function fairly normally. Full stop. The location created problems for people going to these buildings, and it provided a good TV backdrop for Khan and Qadri's speeches, but after the initial attacks on PTV and PM House, the crowd sat around and waited for the then Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif to resign. Full stop. He inconvenienced them by not obliging. Khadim Rizvi with his few thousand men opted for Faizabad and choked off most entrances to the capital, thereby having a debilitating effect on daily life. Full stop. New para. Maulana Fazlur Rahman camped his men last October in an open area 7 kilometers from the red zone. Full stop. The location provided him little strategic advantage. Full stop. PDM's choice of the location will be a clear reflection of the outcome it is looking for. Full stop. Sunday Bazaar ground like the Maulana question mark. Red zone like Imran Khan question mark, or Faizabad like Khadim Rizvi question mark. Number 3. Logistic colon Imran Khan and Qadri had their containers as did Maulana Fazlur Rahman full stop. Khadim Rizvi lived in his tent full stop. All stayed on location for the bulk of the time, comma, except for the Maulana full stop. PDM will have a dozen leaders leading the march full stop. Will they plan for a dozen containers question mark? That might get a bit unwieldy full stop. Or will some prefer to stay the night at home or the parliamentary lodges and return for the day question mark? Wouldn't that look insensitive and politically wrong question mark? Who will stay in the container and on what basis will this be decided question mark? In an event fueled by the power of symbolism and optics under the constant glare of cameras and lights, comma, the PDM leadership will need to think deep, comma, hard and pragmatically about the abode of their leaders in the rough and tumble of the charged march full stop. February is cold in Islamabad full stop. Food, comma, shelter and toilets are key full stop. Maulana's supporters might brave the hazards, but others will find it very difficult to survive night after night in such conditions full stop. Logistics supply line will therefore need to be put in place and shelter from the cold ensured full stop. Easier said than done full stop. Then of course, comma, the most important thing, colon, funding full stop. Who will contribute, how much money and how will it be managed and spent will be a key determinant of organizational success or failure full stop. Number 4, violence colon if the PDM long marchers come to Islamabad and sit, comma, they may sit, comma, and sit, comma, and sit full stop. Or they may want to huff and puff to blow the PTI house away full stop. If the aim is to create chaos so the running of the state becomes untenable, comma, then PDM will need to engineer a collision full stop. For this reason exactly, comma, the government would want to avoid it full stop. Imran Qadri do engineered violence by attacking PTV and PM House full stop. Rizvi managed a clash by refusing to unchoke the capital and inviting a police operation full stop. Maulana never opted for violence and his men camped safely inside a perimeter full stop. A key component of their long march plan, therefore, will need to be war gamed in advance colon how to engineer controlled violence, comma, when to do it and how to be perceived as the victim and not the aggressor full stop. More importantly, comma, how to sustain a certain level of chaos instead of making it a one-off event full stop. Number 5, exit strategy colon dharna, comma, like war, comma, should be an extension of diplomacy full stop. This is why PDM leaders will need to draw up possible exit strategies before they embark on a march full stop. Imran and Qadri did not have one as a result of which the Dharna was cutting a sorry figure in the last days, full stop. The APS tragedy provided Imran an exit strategy. Otherwise, he would have had to pack up and leave under a cloud, full stop. PDM can learn from his mistake and draw up various scenarios with each exit strategy providing for a ready-made narrative that weaves itself into a declaration of victory, full stop. 6 weeks is enough time for PDM strategists to draw up their battle plans with the precision of military commanders, full stop. Holds may make for good visuals, but rarely win battles against well-organized and clear-headed adversaries, full stop. Storming Islamabad has become a delicate art, full stop. The writer is Dawn's resident editor in Islamabad, full stop.